Are you a big business owner? Are you a small business owner? Are you an affiliate marketer? Are you just someone that just starts small business, but you want to be getting to your customer through their emails? Now I got you. I teach on how to use SMTP to. Now I'm going to teach you this thing now. The first thing you are going to do is you will need to come to your picture provider. Once you click it, you go to the next. You go to security signing. You do your second verification. I am going to use. So when you get to your verification, I am going to use authentication app. Then you set it up. Now my authentication is done. You go back. You go back. Then you go back. You go to this search. Then you type app passwords. As you can see, you will click on it. After you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign in back. After you sign in back, you can now name this place. You can name it anything. You can even say SMTP, and then you create. Once you create, it's going to give you a code. This is the code that you are going to copy. Make sure you copy it. I don't want to show you my code. You copy it, you make sure you save it. Okay, you make sure you save it. Next thing you are going to do now, you are going to go to settings. You go to sales settings, because now we are adding send email to. Then you come to import account, import and export. You now go to add another email address. You are going to click on that. Once you click on this, it's going to give you an option. It just asks you to add any email address that you want to add. So when you add that email address, finish any email address that you want to add, but make sure it's not Gmail. Can be Outlook, can open those all those private email. If you have a problem of opening a private email, you can contact me and I will help you on that, or I will explain to you how you're going to get through it. So after that, you go to the next. And after the next step, they are going to send verification to the code. You confirm the code. Then you confirm the code. It's going to ask you, do you want to confirm or you want to confirm? Then you confirm the code. Once you confirm the code, it will tell you this is the message you're going to get. Don't forget the code that we carry. The code, this is how you are going to get the SMTP, and this is the email address, and this is the password, and the port is 587. So now let us test our SMTP and see how it works. Go to Google and search SMTP test. Once you start the research, click on the first one. Once you click on the first one, it's going to load. This is what it's going to load, and then it's going to ask you to put your SMTP server, which is the smtp@gmail.com, the port 587, and also the username. The username is the email that you use, that you collect. Is the email that you use to collect the SMTP, the email that you get the SMTP, the code from. That's the email that is going to be your username, and then your password. Then you now add from, and then to which email you wanted to enter. Let me do the test now. And then before you put everything, and then we test. So if you go, that means our SMTP is good to go. As you can see, it's already connected. So let's go and check our inbox now. Let's see if you get message inside this email address. Did you see? Yeah, that's it. And now also, let us now use this SMTP. Let us now use it with the sender. So the SMTP is already connected with the sender. So if you have a problem of if you need the help of the sender, I can look you up. Just comment sweet send or send me a DM or sweet send, then I will help you with the sender, and also I will tell you how to get it. And if you get it finished and you have a problem with it, I will push you through on how to solve the problem. So here, as you can see, here is a welcome email. You have a promotion email. It depends on what you want to tell your customer. Maybe you want to send them discount, and also if you don't want anything to be your subject, you can just leave it at at optional. Then there is nothing that are going to be there. But it's advisable when you know you are already sending me a welcome email, maybe by them joining your site or by them purchasing anything from you. Then when you click on the welcome email, this one now is you put the email that you want to email. Let me just put the one that we have here. gmail.com. Sorry, sometimes spelling goes wrong, bro. So, and also, where you want them to reply to, do you want them to reply to another email? Do you have another email, a company email that you want them to reply to? You put that email there. Let me just put any one email there. I want them to reply to and also, do you want them to have do you want to set a picture with it? Do you want to set a file? Let me just click on one picture here. Yeah. And also, do you want to send the links? Or do you want to choose a date? You can schedule a date of when you want it to send the email. But right now, and also don't forget, this email can be bulk. You can add as many as email here. It's not only one email. Then you send. So we're gonna know if I mess. So now we send it. And after we send it, we're gonna know if it tells us email successful here, and then we're supposed to get the email inside our inbox here. So as you can see, email sent successfully, and then we check reload. As you can see, the email have entered. So send welcome. As you click on it, you're supposed to see the picture that we attached and the link also. And as you can see, the link also is clickable. So this is also a means of you talking to your customer directly, not by you calling them, but by you having access to them through their email. So if you like this content, like, share. Make sure you share with a business owner that need this. Stay blessed.